Why should you joke about spiritual stuff? Do you ever wonder why I post funny memes or just joke in particular on my lives and in my videos? Many people will comment that this knowledge is sacred and serious. They feel jokes and laughter detract from the message. They erroneously think that a joke has nothing to do with spirituality. They think it's disrespectful. The truth is, there is a method to my madness, and the funny content is purposeful. It's because when you truly laugh, you instantly raise your vibration. When you're in a high vibrational state, you gain access to higher wisdom within. Joy in the form of laughter is the natural vibrational state of the soul. Emotions signal your vibrational state. When you feel joy, you're in resonance with your soul. You should strive to feel joy daily. Too many people think that once you declare you're spiritual, then your vibration is raised and you should stay static. That's just not the case. You cultivate your vibration. As you gain wisdom, you become immune to low vibrational crap. By gaining wisdom and applying the knowledge you learn, you raise the floor, so to speak, of your emotional state of being, not by declaration. When you feel good, your vibration is high. When you feel bad, your vibration is low. You measure your vibration based on your emotional state in any moment. It's that simple. Here's a simple process to take control of your vibration. When you feel low, find something that makes you feel good. A meme, some music, pet your dog, visualize sitting on the beach. When you do this, you take control of your emotional state. You create heaven within you. This is why I post funny stuff, to raise your vibration. To laugh, if only for a moment, is to help you raise to a high vibrational state of being. Thank you for listening. Please like and share this video with anyone who would be expanded by it.